See this hat right here? It's very difficult to measure this hat and make sure it's nice and centered. You have to pop it off. We gotta clean up some of these threads real quick and it'll be nice and fire. But with this, you gotta measure in between both of these points on this side diamond stitching in order to get centered. You cannot go by this top part because that part is not always centered. It's always off by like 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna run this teal hat. So I gotta change the color. First thing you do, I'm gonna change the color before I get carried away. It is number 2 and then black, 2 colors. So I gotta do 2, 1. Then once I change that, I throw on the hat right here. I gotta measure the height. So let me grab me a ruler, measure the height of the design, make sure I get it where I want it. And I measure it from the clasp right there to the needle is where I'm measuring it to. With this one, I'm running 1.75. It all varies on the hat and the design. Once I have that measured, I usually measure by eye with this, but with this one, this hat, you gotta be very precise because if it's off by just a little bit, you'll notice. And right here, this point to that point is 3.5 inches. So in between that is 1.75. So I gotta make sure I measure 1.75. And I'm off by just a little bit. And double check it. It moved on me a little bit and over just a tad, and it's good to go. And that's how you measure this hat right here. Get it nice and precise and centered. This is how it's done. Got that red, that forest, and that royal.